Welcome to the first episode of Reggie's Trails. Today, we are on a journey to the famous Meramec Caverns, nestled in the heart of Missouri. Known for their stunning formations and rich history, these caverns are a must-see for any adventurer. But first, let's enjoy the beautiful drive through the Missouri countryside.
Hey everyone, it's Reggie here, and I'm super excited to take you on this amazing adventure to the Meramec Caverns. I've heard so many incredible stories about this place, especially the legendary escape of Jesse James. Stick around, it's going to be an epic day.
As we make our way to the caverns, let's take a moment to appreciate the scenic route. The winding roads and beautiful landscapes make the drive as enjoyable as the destination itself.
Alright, folks, we've made it. Welcome to the Meramec Caverns. Let's head inside and start exploring.
Meramec caverns, formed over millions of years, are a true natural wonder. Known for their stunning stalactites and stalagmites, these caverns also hold a piece of American history.
Wow, check out these formations. The sheer size and the beauty of these caverns are breathtaking. It's hard to believe that these have been here for millions of years. And here's something really cool. This spot right here is famous for being one of the hideouts of the notorious outlaw Jesse James. Legend has it that he used these caverns to escape from the law.
Jesse James, one of the most infamous outlaws of the Wild West, is said to have used these caverns as a hideout. The complex network of tunnels and hidden rooms made it the perfect place for him and his gang to evade capture.
There is so much to see here, from the wine tables formation, which is the world rarest cave structure, to the mirror room where the reflections are absolutely mesmerizing. Every corner you turn, there is something new and incredible to discover. This is the mirror room, and it's called that for a good reason. The way the water reflects the formations on the ceiling make it look like a perfect mirror image. It's like stepping into another world. If you're planning a visit, make sure to take a guided tour. The guides here are super knowledgeable and share fascinating stories and facts about the caverns history and geology. Hey everyone, we are about to experience something truly special. We are here at the Meramec Caverns Opera, a unique performance venue set deep within these incredible caverns.
The Meramec Caverns Opera is an unforgettable experience, combining natural beauty with musical artistry. One of the most stirring moments of the performance is the rendition of the US national anthem.
Filled with a little bit of water and green fly. Sorry, the band couldn't make it today, like normal. We have our balcony seating for busier summer nights. And you can't just have one but two stalactite chandeliers. Alrighty, do we have any history lovers inside the cave? History lovers? How about Girl Scouts? Used to be? That counts. Alright guys, I'm going to give you guys a little history. In the late 1940s, up in 1946 to be exact, the governor of Missouri came by for the cave tour. He actually loved this cave tour so much he gave us a very special gift. This gift he gave us was in the form of Kate Smith, a very famous opera singer, singing her very famous song, God Bless America. Right, see, she's going to be a singer. As she's done that, we recorded it after she was giving it to all the tours so we could give it to other tourists when she stopped singing. Which we did save that recording until we no longer have copyright for that because of the Girl Scouts of America. They took that, so, yeah. Love your cookies, by the way, those chocolate mint bins. Sorry, best Girl Scout cookies you can try, to be honest. But not
As
quite
the
by the
anthem
reason grandma's
begins,
desserts.
the powerful and patriotic melody fills the caverns.
If I have a place
The
to see,
natural
we've got the
acoustics
military,
enhance
after we
every
see the
note,
military,
creating
then
an
you guys know
awe-inspiring
subject, inspired
atmosphere
healthcare. It
that
does.
resonates with everyone present.
I know.
Wow, the acoustics here are amazing. Caverns create a natural amphitheater that amplifies the sound beautifully. This is truly a breathtaking moment. The combination of the stunning visuals of the caverns and emotional impact of the anthem. guys, that is it for today's adventure at the Meramec Caverns. I hope you enjoyed exploring with me and learning a bit about the history and the natural beauty of this amazing place.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more adventures on Reggie's Trails. Until next time. Well, that's it for this special segment of Reggie's Trails. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Meramec Caverns. Be sure to tune in next time for more exciting explorations with Reggie. Safe travels, adventurers.